Good morning, everyone. Myself, Somashekara B. Today, I am talking about enzymes. Today's video lecture, I am going to cover introduction, classification, active sites of enzyme, enzyme specificity, mechanism of enzyme action, factor affecting enzyme activity. Enzymes. Many chemical reactions occurring in plants and animals are catalyzed by biochemical substances called enzymes. Enzymes is nothing but biological catalyst. For example, hexokinase, lipase, maltase, etc. Classification of enzymes. There are 6 classes of enzymes. First one, oxidoreductases. Second one, transferases. Third one, hydrolases. Fourth one, lyases. Fifth one, isomerases. Sixth one, ligases. Oxidoreductases. Oxidoreductases are the enzyme which catalyzes oxidation reduction reactions. For example, alcohol dehydrogenase. It is an enzyme which is responsible for conversion of ethanol into acetaldehyde. Second one, transferase. Transferase is an enzyme which is responsible for transfer of groups. For example, alanine transaminase, an enzyme which transfer NH2 group from alanine to alpha ketoglutarate. Third one, hydrolases. These are the enzymes responsible for hydrolysis reaction. Example, peptidase, which hydrolyzes peptide bond. Lyases. Lyases is an enzymes which are responsible for addition of groups to the double bond or removal of groups. Example, pyruvate decarboxylase, an enzyme which is responsible for the removal of carbon dioxide from pyruvate. Fifth one, isomerases. Isomerases are the enzymes which are responsible for rearrangement of isomers. It converts one isomer into another isomer. Example, Mealy isomerase, which is an enzyme which is responsible for the conversion of maleate into fumarate. Ligases. These are the enzymes responsible for attachment of groups. For example, pyruvate carboxylase is an enzyme which is responsible for conversion of pyruvate into oxaloacetate. Active site. Small portion of enzyme molecule responsible for enzyme activity is called active site. Enzyme specificity. Enzymes have varying degree of specificity for the substrates. Enzyme may recognize and catalyze a single substrate, a group of similar substrate, a particular type of bond. 3 types of enzyme specificities. First one, absolute specificity. Second one, relative specificity. Third one, stereo specificity. First one, absolute specificity. Some enzymes act on only one substrate and not on others. For example, urease is responsible for hydrolysis of urea but not other amides. Relative specificity. Some enzymes act on small group of structurally related compounds. Example, esterase is an enzyme which is responsible for hydrolysis of all type of esters. Stereo specificity. Some enzymes will act only on one of the 2 types of optical isomers. For example, arginase acts only on L-arginine but not on D-arginine. Mechanism of enzyme action. Enzyme reacts with substrate, it will give enzyme substrate complex which undergo decomposition to give enzyme and product. Factor affecting enzyme activity. There are six factors responsible for enzyme activity. First one, concentration of enzyme. Second one, concentration of substrate. Third one, effect of temperature. Fourth one, effect of pH. Fifth one, effect of product concentration. Sixth one, effect of activators and deactivators. Concentration of enzyme. As the concentration of enzyme is increased, the velocity of reaction proportionately increases. This is because the concentration increases, enzyme substrate complex formation also increases. Concentration of substrate. Increase in the substrate concentration gradually increases the velocity of enzyme reaction within the limited range of substrate level. When whole of the substrate has formed the complex with enzyme molecules, enzyme is saturated with substrate and further addition of substrate produces no change in the rate of the reaction. Effect of temperature. Velocity of an enzyme reaction increases with increase in temperature up to a maximum and then declines. The optimum temperature for most of the enzyme is between 30 to 40 degrees centigrade. However, a few enzymes are active even at 100 degrees centigrade. In general, when the enzyme are exposed to a higher temperature, it undergoes denaturation. This loses the structure of enzyme. Effect of pH. Increase in the hydrogen concentration considerably increases. Effect of pH. Increase in the hydrogen ion concentration considerably influences the enzyme activity. Each enzyme has an optimum pH at which the velocity is maximum. Most of the enzymes are active at pH 5 to 8. This is called as optimum pH. There are, however, many exceptions like pepsin. It is active between the pH 1 to 2. Effect of product concentration. The accumulation of reaction products generally decreases the enzyme velocity. For certain enzyme, the products combine with the active sites of the enzyme and form loose complex and thus inhibit the enzyme activity in the leaving system. This type of inhibition is generally prevented by quick removal of product formed. Effect of enzyme activators and enzyme inhibitors. Enzyme activators. Some of the enzymes require certain inorganic metallic cations like magnesium, manganese, zinc, etc. For example, esterase is an enzyme. Its activity increases by the addition of Mg2+. Amylase is an enzyme. Its activity increases by the addition of chloride ion. Enzyme inhibitors. Any substance which reduces the rate of enzymatic reaction is called enzyme inhibitors. Some enzyme inhibitors are drugs, antibodies, insecticides, etc. Thank you.